What was supposed to be an 8-day mission turned into a 9-month odyssey orbiting Earth at 17,500 miles per hour. This is the remarkable story of astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore and their unexpected journey home. June 5, 2024. 2 veteran NASA astronauts blast off aboard Boeing Starliner capsule. The mission, an 8-day test flight to the International Space Station and back. But as the Starliner approached the ISS, something went wrong. Technical issues plagued the spacecraft, forcing NASA to make a difficult decision. The Starliner would return to Earth empty. Williams and Wilmore would stay behind. Days turned into weeks. Weeks into months. What started as a routine mission became an unexpected marathon in microgravity. For 286 days, Williams and Wilmore lived and worked aboard the International Space Station, conducting experiments, performing maintenance, and waiting for their chance to come home. While not the longest space stay on record, that belongs to Russian cosmonaut Valery Polyakov at 437 days, this unplanned extension raised serious questions about the astronauts' health. According to space physiology experts, the difference in health impacts between 9 months and 8 days in space is dramatic. The longer someone stays in space, the larger the magnitude of change to their body. After about 6 months, these changes seem to slow down, but the effects remain significant. Space takes a toll on the human body. Bone density decreases. Muscles atrophy. Vision changes as eyes literally reshape themselves. Even the brain shifts position within the skull. Scientists are particularly concerned about how extended spaceflight affects the immune system, with research showing that even short stays can cause immune cells to undergo DNA reorganization. Finally, after more than 9 months, salvation arrived in the form of a SpaceX Dragon capsule. On March 18, 2025, Williams and Wilmore began their journey home. At 5:57 p.m. Eastern Time, the Dragon splashed down off the coast of Tallahassee, Florida. As recovery teams rushed to the capsule, the world held its breath. Then, the moment everyone had been waiting for, Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore, back on Earth, smiling and giving thumbs up despite having spent 3 times longer in space than any mission they had trained for. But their journey isn't over. Now begins an intense period of medical testing as NASA's Spaceflight Standard Measures program examines everything from their cognitive abilities to their microbiomes. Every test, every data point, will help us understand how the human body adapts to extended spaceflight. Experts expect the astronauts to experience balance problems for the first few days to weeks. The vestibular system in the inner ear, which helps individuals sense where their body parts are, relies on gravity, and the microgravity of space can severely disrupt it. About 70% of astronauts who spend 6 months or more in space also experience swelling in the backs of their eyes, associated with flattened eye structure and kinks in the optic nerves. The unexpected extension of Williams and Wilmore's mission may prove invaluable as we prepare for longer journeys to Mars and beyond. As scientists point out, our ability to be competitive in space exploration will depend on our ability to keep astronauts healthy. From an 8-day test flight to a 9-month odyssey, Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore have written their names in the history books, not just as astronauts, but as pioneers whose unexpected journey may help pave the way to the stars. Like and subscribe for more space exploration stories, and let us know in the comments, would you volunteer for a Mars mission knowing you might be away from Earth for years? This is On Time, thanks for watching.